Reverse crunches target your lower abs and are easy to perform without equipment. Start by lying flat on your back on a mat or the floor. Place your arms by your sides with your palms flat on the ground for support. Bend your knees and lift your feet off the floor, so your thighs are perpendicular to the ground and your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Using your abdominal muscles, not momentum, curl your hips off the floor, bringing your knees toward your chest. Keep your movements controlled and smooth. Your lower back should lift slightly, but your upper body remains flat on the ground. Once your knees come in toward your chest, slowly lower them back to the starting 90-degree angle. But don't let your feet touch the ground. Instead, pump your legs continuously by lifting and lowering them in this controlled arc, maintaining tension in your abs throughout the movement. Avoid using your hands or arms to push off the ground. They're there only for balance. Keep your head relaxed and your neck neutral. Focus on using your abs to move your legs and hips. Aim for 12 to 20 reps per set, depending on your fitness level. Reverse crunches are a great way to build abdominal strength and improve core stability when done with proper form. Please check my next video.